I woke up someplace that looks kind of familiar. Have to go see if I can find somebody to tell me where I'm at. Sir, are you the 10th Generation Dairyman, or is he your neighbor? What? Sister says she's being a pain. I don't know if that's true or not. I'll have to ask Eric later. But says she wanted to come out and milk, milk with Eric since she's used to milking her cow, and just see how it goes, kinda. So Eric, I was gonna put my bibs on this morning. I looked at my phone, and are you guys having a heat wave or something?
Yeah, it's not too bad actually around here right now.
This isn't right. I think at home it's about -10.
That's crazy.
Only 40 degrees different, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't had too much cold lately. I mean, it's been snowy, but not too bad.
Yeah.
It's okay with me. Now I got Elizabeth to do my work, so.
I guess he might like it when people come out here and want to milk, because he gets vacation for, well, sort of vacation for half a milking, probably.
Yeah. It depends. As long as they know what they're doing, which she has some experience, so it's not too bad. Accidentally put one on backwards. This is the last of group 3.
Good morning, Dennis. How's feeding going?
It's going good so far. We're getting going. Nice morning. It's not too cold.
No, I was telling him earlier, I'm like, not get up this morning thinking I gotta put bibs on and all that. I'm looking, it's 31 degrees.
Yeah, it's just a little raw. I guess there's ice coming, but
yeah,
not too bad. So
it's not like it's negative temperatures at home or anything.
yeah, I'm kind of thankful about that.
because it's like all of your guys' favorite thing, I'll have to show you Dennis running out the feed in the new feed wagon with that conveyor. So Eric went from milking cows to being a secretary in a couple minutes.
Yep, part of the job. So I'm entering in, last week we took some blood tests, I'm entering that in the computer, and then figuring out what we need to do, or figuring out which cows need shots this week to bring them into sync to breed. So you gotta get the tests entered, and then we can give shots. 775. Right here in the headlock. Yeah. Yeah, she's totally away from us. 551.
Well, as you can see, it's snowing here in Illinois. It is Monday, February 15th, and there's currently a storm going through here and, well, a good portion of the United States. So, I guess I'm going to take you around for chores today. Or should I say tonight? You guys can't really see here, but the whole yard's drifted over. Right now there's about, well, in between 6 and 8 inches of snow on the ground, and we're supposed to get a little bit more tonight. So yeah, that's the current situation. So we kind of had a problem. I was going to put the Kubota away and, well, walked up to the door and it was locked. I think somebody must have hit it when they were getting out of the tractor, so I'm gonna have to go up to the house and see if I can't find a key. And if not, well, have to go over to John's and see if I can get one out of the skid steer or the Mini. Well guys, I came up to the house and I found a key. I hope this one works. Alright, let's hope this works. She's open. Good deal. Alright guys, well I apologize. I didn't get more footage from earlier. Me and Luke kind of had a little bit of fun with the cows. We were planning on putting them on the lot. The water on the lot was frozen, so we had to take that apart, and we dropped a hairdryer down into it to kind of unthaw it, and then after that we fed the cows a couple bales, and well, and then we set up a fence to get them out of there, and let's just say they didn't want to leave the bales, so they're going to stay out in the field for at least tonight. We might move them tomorrow afternoon. We also kind of moved that wind block so that they'll stay warm tonight and tomorrow with the wind and the snow and the temperatures, because, well, not only is it snowing and windy, but it's pretty cold. This morning when I left, it was, I think, 4 degrees, and, well, right now it's probably somewhere in between 7 and 10, so it's cold. Alright guys, so the Kubota is now back in the shop. I'm going to bring this key back up to the house, just in case it happens again. We know where the key is. And I think I'm going to go take care of the chicks. Alright guys, so before I feed the chicks, I'm going to get a fire going, because with the door open, we let some of the cold air inside. So we're going to get this shop heated back up. You always got to check your ads to make sure there's any good deals. bucks. Alright guys, the fire's going pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and feed the chicks. So I can tell that their water's frozen and their feed's getting a little low, so I guess I'll start off by getting them some more feed. And getting some of their shavings out of their feed, because they kind of kick it in there sometimes. And then I'll refill their water bottle and get all the ice out of it. Well, their water is pretty frozen. Alright guys, the chickens have feed and some new fresh water that's not frozen. So I'm going to go ahead and I think go get some supper, because I'm a little hungry.